Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye. Hello, my people from Untouchable Mama. Unadi. I greet the house. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Una no mind my voice, so I know say weather not good, na winter, na we dey. My brothers and sisters, see another one don't come out. I no wan laugh alone, now say me I can't still give una. I will put the video now, see am. This one na orishi. Eyaye seleke. This one na this one pastor. Na wow, but wetin me I dey talk, our people for this 2020 century where we still dey, na people go still dey cash you mugu, they still dey cash you come and buy. Abeg na wetin if una watch this video, abeg una share am. Make una no watch am alone, because me I dey laugh. Now I say no, I no go laugh alone. I go still bring am to my people, make dem still laugh. This video maybe una don still see am. You know say no be all video wey dey for social media, no be everybody dey see. Even me sef, some video dey, maybe they don put am like 2 weeks ago. I can't just come across, I'll just see and say, this video I never see am before. So I make anytime where I see video where just dey one kind, I will bring am come on and see, mona see here, mona see am. If you see the wetin this pastor, wetin dey do, this lady, I no remember where it for happen again sef, but wetin just wetin make me dey laugh for inside na wetin she dey talk, na wetin she dey do. She just get up, una go even see am. I just want me I talk small. He ask for, say get up. He ask for one woman, say who be this? Just dey mention name, just dey mention name. All the old children when the woman born, he mention all of them name. Mona say the tea, I come dey laugh. I come say, hey, mona open her eyes, mona open her well. Mona not close her again. Not be by this time person go dey tell you say, see wetin I see for your body, see wetin I not see for your body. So the girl wey near am come say make get up, make open him hand. As that one just open him hand, now just start to dey talk. Who be this one? Who be the other one? This your daughter supposed to dey America. Now she for call carry you go America. Hey, I just dey laugh. The worst part of it, the one wey make me come laugh pass, the man wey dey, another man wey come dey ask question. He go dey tell am say, well, na 4 girlfriend na the man don first get, no one dey stay with am. He mention the name of the girls. See, my sisters, my brothers and sisters, I laugh. He mention the street where dem dey. Oh God of that's which kind thing be all this one? This one wetin dey do? You know say our people dey find miracle. Where miracle dey? Then anywhere. My brothers and sisters, you just see person for the first time, you don't know all in life. Something not dey under, something dey under. All in life, because me I believe say if they see all these people where they look for miracle by all means, when they find person where want tell them what go happen tomorrow, if they don't see all those people, they will find person, their own person where they did that church. May go check under them, waiting in and out of them, the street where they the pikin where they born, all their friends, they go ask information, they will put them for inside hand. When they will come church, they will come give the woman, because the woman and pastor, they will come give van, go come sit down, go say you, because he don't know. Go say you, come, now saw this one, now saw the other one, who tell you all this? If really say that they see, say as they just they talk all this pastor where we get, all this fake pastor where we get. If really say that they see, why they know they talk wetin what happen tomorrow? Why they know they talk why that country never better, why that country never good? Now because of all these bad pastors. One. Not be say good one, not they, but they small, they're not many again, they're small well, because anybody will just finish school and not get work, go open one store, Go start to them say, I be pastor. I dey see miracle. I dey see this one. I feel do this one for you. No, say our people now. They will just they run, they go. Money when they not see they eat, they will just carry go. They give pastor. This pastor they see well. Now he saved my life. Oh, who tell you? Who tell you? Now he do this one. They go. They run. They go now. Then now they go come. They go. Now that one ain't be. Now they worry our people. Now they worry our people. You just see person. You just see person. You don't know her before. How you want to know in life? How you tell know in and out of her? If not be say person, I can't tell you. They know they use that sense. So they know they use that sense. As it's there for pastor, now so it's still there for all these juju people. Now so it's still there. Now that time before all these people where they do juju. Now that time they work. Really, that time they work. Many years ago, when they'll tell you something, they'll say you go do and really work. But now, euro, pounds, it don't spoil everywhere. You just go past your place. Maybe wait till go tell you where you do. He go they tell you the money where you want pay. Euro or tama where euro. You know, I can't tell you again for naira. Like me, now many people wait there for my YouTube for them. Knows me, I know they go church. They go for inside my house for day. Now they go. I go sit down, go call Baba God, do this thing for me. I want the corner with mind way not clear. Where I go call God. I go dey plan evil. No, God not the answer that one. Not the answer that one. Call her with your clear heart. Call her with your clear. Go do it for you. Obviously, you can't call God when you say you call God. You go to do bad, or you fail do bad. Finish. You say, God forgive me my sin, but I need this thing. You know the answer that one. You know the answer. So my brothers and sisters, I will put the video, no watch her, because I see her now say, all these things still they exist. Come and buy people. They're too many. You know, say some of our people, if they talk to them, if they tell them the truth, they no one listen. Now that one where that person where fake they talk. Now that one end they listen to. You where they tell them the truth, they no go listen to you. They will say now you now be bad person. They will say now you now be bad person. My brothers and sisters, I don't want to take una time too much. I beg. Mona sit down, mona watch am. Mona still share am to una friends. Make them see, make them watch. Because come and buy. Then too many. Not be nowadays where we did. Now person go come dey cash you come and buy. You go just sit down. Go say, you go just even person to measure your name self. We don't know you before at all. He don't know you before. You just measure your name. There is something under. Now so many they talk am. There is something under. Talk less of say you go come dey mention the old children where you born, the street where your old girlfriend they live. Waiting. That's all you they see. That's all I beg my brothers and sisters. I will put her for there. Mona watch her, mona share her from Untouchable Mama. Anytime where I just see video where just get as a bit. I go still talk. I go still put on say I go watch her. If I not put on for YouTube, I will put on for Facebook because something there where YouTube not they accept. So something there where they accept. So anytime where I see some where they not they accept, I'll put on for my page for Facebook. Then the one where they still they accept, I'll put on for YouTube Mona still see her. Or sometimes I feel put audio Mona just listening. So my brothers and sisters, I don't want to take on time too more. Thank you for being there. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share. Everything are free. You know they cost anything. So one love, keep us together. Now bye.
Madam, stand up. I need to pray for this lady. Yes, I don't know, but I need to pray for you. Who brought you? Who be she to you? Now your mama? She be your daughter?
Yes, ma.
She be your daughter?
Yes, ma.
Open your hand. Who is Calista?
It's me. It's me.
You are Calista?
It's me.
Who be Clifford?
My son.
Who be Rosemary?
My daughter.
Who be Glory?
Me.
You. Now your
Gloria.
mama be this. Now your mama be this.
Yes.
Mama, this one supposed carry you go America. But I'm seeing somebody is around Osoka. Enugu. Have you been to that place before?
Yes, I've been in Suka.
You from Soka?
Yes, ma'am.
You are from Soka?
Yes, ma'am.
I see somebody. This person is close to your husband.
My God.
I saw where this person carried her picture to the native doctor. He said, this one is about to graduate from school.
Child.
Finish her, make she no graduate.
My God.
Say, in own children never go school. Why she want go school for this company?
Child.
Are you in school?
Yes.
I'm something you need sick.
Yes.
You need sick.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. Final year.
Yes.
Final year.
Yes.
I see where they are drinking your blood in the coven.
Child.
Blood they dry for your body.
Yes.
Blood they dry for your body. Blood they dry for your body. At a point when you go to 400 level, something began to grow for your stomach.
My God.
You go hospital, they say na cancer.
Yes.
They say na cancer.
My God. Child. Professor, celebrate Jesus.
Blood they dry.
Yes.
Blood they dry.
Yes.
You no get strength.
Yes.
You are dying inside.
Yes.
They say na cancer. But the thing is happening around your stomach.
Yes.
They say na cancer. But see that doctor's report is about to turn to praise report now.
Hey.
If your amen is louder, your doctor's report will turn to praise report.
Amen.
Can I talk to you?
Yes, mommy.
I've entered the place around Soka. I saw somebody that went to a particular road. This is like a T-junction. And this T-junction is tilting to a particular school. I saw where that person stood there and was mentioning the name like Friday.
My name is Friday.
I am seeing something like 1953. That was when somebody in your father's house buried something that people will begin to die. I am seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 graves. Eh?
Yes, mommy.
Chidekemiye. And the man a strong native doctor.
Very well.
Very strong one. The thing why they see now, you go touch tree, you go disappear.
Enter inside.
You go enter inside the tree.
Yes, mommy.
You go disappear.
Yes, mommy.
The person who I see, he gets mirror for him room. That mirror, he dey carry am dey monitor everything wey dey happen to people.
Yes, mommy.
Even if you are in America, he go dey monitor you there.
Yes, mommy.
Even you now, because you are from that compound.
Yes, mommy.
Even you now, you get one house where they build.
Yes, mommy.
For
Yes, mommy.
village.
Yes, mommy. Yes.
I see something like uncompleted.
Yes, mommy.
In the name of the spirit, you went there last year.
Yes,
Was it last year?
Yes, mommy.
You entered that place. Immediately you entered, one part of your body die.
One side I did not work.
You build house for Sudeja.
Yes, mommy.
But you ran from that house.
Yes, mommy.
Do you know why he ran? In the realm of the spirit, God has shown me. You go enter, carry fridge, put Fanta, put banana,
Disappear.
put everything.
Disappear.
You can't open and you don't see him again.
Disappear. My God.
Nobody get your spec you.
Jesus.
There is another thing God has revealed to me. And this thing has to do with women. They come into your life, they go. No woman, they stay for your life. Highest 1 year, don't go waka go. Don't go waka.
Four women.
4. Okay, there are 4.
Yes.
Somebody vowed no woman will stay in your life. And true, no woman, they stay. When they come, they go. I'm seeing Oluchi.
Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy.
Florence.
Yes, mommy.
Esther.
Yes, mommy.
Amuche.
Yes, mommy.
If you are celebrating God, you celebrate God well.
Power level powder.